Hi, it's Carol from Glass Art Diva. Today I want to show you a quick little trick that I do when it comes to soldering on the inside of a box. You need to solder your lines and also the bottom of your box before you go and pretty it up on the outside. So what I do is I take my solder and I cut it up into little itty bitty pieces like so. And then when I'm ready to solder the inside of the box, flux it, and then I just drop one of these little pieces of solder into the box, and then I just take my iron and melt it. It's a lot easier doing it this way than it is trying to hold either the roll of solder or a long piece of solder. And there, we have one piece that's already done. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.